So now we will see what is the social security and how it is implemented in India. What are the schemes in India? So social security, we will read out the notes. So social security and its methods. Let's select a lighter color. So what is the light color here? Now, yes, this is better. Social security is a government program designed to provide financial support to people who are retired, disabled, or who have lost a loved one. सोशल सिक्योरिटी उसके लिए है, फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट का प्रोग्राम, जो रिटायर हो चुका है या जो डिसेबल है या फिर जिसका कोई अपना खो गया है, जो ब्रेड विनर ऑफ द फैमिली होता है वो खो गया है या तो उसकी डेथ हो गई है या वो किसी कारण से वो अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो उस केस में फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट देने के लिए सोशल सिक्योरिटी की शुरुआत की गई थी। फर्स्ट कंट्री जिसने सोशल सिक्योरिटी स्टार्ट किया था वो जर्मनी था, और यूएसए जो था वो फर्स्ट कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड था जिसने सोशल सिक्योरिटी पे लॉ लेके आया था। तो ये हमारा एमसीक्यू लिख के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। तो नाउ वी विल सी द नेक्स्ट थिंग। सोशल सिक्योरिटी इज फंडेड बाय, सोशल सिक्योरिटी को कैसे फंड करते हैं? सो पे रोल टैक्सेस विच आर कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉइज एंड एम्प्लॉयर एंड इज intended to help ensure that people can meet their basic needs during the time of economic hardship. Now, the social security system of protection is designed how it is designed to provide financial assistance to people who are retired, disabled, or unable to work. And second one is to ensure that the people can maintain a basic standard of living and meet their basic need. ओके, जिससे उसका दाल रोटी चल जाए और बेसिक स्टैंडर्ड, मिनिमम स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लाइफ वो लीड कर सकें। इन इंडिया सोशल सिक्योरिटी इज़ एन इसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एफोर्ट। भारत में सोशल सिक्योरिटी जो है गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा किए गए प्रयासों में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है। उसमें क्या क्या है गवर्नमेंट का एफोर्ट्स? व्हाट आर द गवर्नमेंट्स एफोर्ट? रिड्यूसिंग poverty, promoting economic growth and improvement of social welfare. These three types of social security schemes are implemented by the government. Some of the social security programs in India is provided through a range of programs and initiatives that are administered by different government agencies. These are, what are the programs? Some of them are Employee Provident Fund EPF, ESIC, NPS, प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, नेशनल सोशल असिस्टेंस प्रोग्राम, महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल गारंटी एक्ट, मनरेगा, राष्ट्रीय स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, and apart from that there are so many several social security schemes that are being implemented in the country. This is a basic diagram that is explaining the social security. So there are four types of broad categories of social security schemes. First one is the EPFO schemes, and these are its components. सेकेंड वन इज द सिविल सर्विसेज स्कीम, जो कोई आदमी कोई जॉब करता है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, लोकल बॉडीज, PSUs अदर्स में, तो उनके लिए भी सोशल सिक्योरिटी स्कीम्स होती हैं। स्कीम्स फॉर अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर्स के लिए क्या क्या? नेशनल असिस्टेंस स्कीम है जिसमें पेंशन दिया जाता है। स्टेट असिस्टेंट स्कीम है जिसमें ओल्ड एज पेंशन टाइप का कुछ दिया जाता है, विधवा पेंशन, ओल्ड एज पेंशन, ये सब है। वेलफेयर बॉडीज़ हैं, NGO एंड फैमिली कम्युनिटी भी कुछ अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर के लिए स्कीम बनाती है, और ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस का कुछ फैसिलिटीज़ कुछ लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। वॉलंटरी टैक्स एडवांटेज स्कीम है जिसमें सेविंग करते हैं, जैसे हम लोग PPF में पैसा डालते हैं। उसके अलावे सुकन्या समृद्धि योजना है, इस टाइप का है, या फिर अटल पेंशन योजना है जो पेंशन स्कीम्स है। अटल पेंशन स्कीम है, इस टाइप का बहुत सारे स्कीम है जो वॉलंटरी टैक्स सेविंग स्कीम्स हैं, इसमें सोशल सिक्योरिटी के लिए लोग पैसा डालते हैं। The next thing is there are several different methods by which social security benefits are provided to eligible individuals. The most common form of social security benefit is retirement benefit, which are paid to people who have reached the age of 60 and have worked for at least 10 years. 60 age is it's in the India, and it differs from country to country. The amount of retirement the 10 year is also conditional. It may differ from organization to organization. The amount of retirement benefit a person receive is based on their average earning over their working lifetime and the age at which they start receiving benefits. Another form of social security benefit is disability benefit, which are paid to people who are unable to work due to physical or mental impairment. To qualify for disability benefit, a person must have worked for a certain amount of time and have a medical condition that met the Social Security Administration's definition of disability. The amount of disability benefits a person receives is based on their average earning before they become disabled. Survivor benefits are also available to eligible individuals. These benefits are paid to the surviving spouse and children of a deceased worker and are based on the worker's earning history. To qualify for survivor benefit, a person must have worked for a certain amount of time and have earned enough credit under the Social Security program. In addition to these main forms of benefit, Social Security also provides a number of other services and programs. These includes supplemental security income. This is called SSI. This is a program that provides financial assistance to low-income individuals who are disabled, blind, or elderly. Next one is the Medicare. This is a federal health insurance program. This is not applicable everywhere. This is applicable for some geographical region that provides coverage to people over age of 60 and to people with a certain disability. Medicaid, this is a joint federal and state program that provides health insurance coverage to low income individuals. One program is Pradhan Mantri Jan what is called National Health Insurance Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Jan औषधि योजना, प्रधानमंत्री जन स्वास्थ्य योजना, PMJ is the one of the welfare scheme implemented in the country. Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI. This is a program that provides benefit to people who are disabled and have worked enough to earn credit under the Social Security program. Ticket to Work. This is a program that provides employment services and support to people who receive disability benefits. In conclusion, we can say that the Social Security program in India are primarily funded by the government through various sources such as general revenue, taxes, and contribution from employer and the employee. The Social Security is an essential program that provides financial stability to millions of citizens. For many retirees, Social Security benefits are the only source of income they have in their golden years. Social Security also provides a safety net for disabled individuals and their families who are unable to work due to a medical condition. Additionally, survivor benefits help support families who have lost a loved one who was primarily breadwinner for the family. This is the Social Security program in India. Thank you.